Imagine walking into a casino with 10 Baccarat tables in front of you. Most players sit at the first available seat and start betting immediately. But experienced players often do something different. They don't rush. They spend a few minutes observing before placing a single bet. Today on Bet 5, we're talking about something that rarely gets discussed: how to choose a Baccarat table and why those first few minutes can help you play with a clearer mindset. Let's get started. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is feeling like they need to jump into the action right away. The excitement of the game can make you feel like you're missing out if you're not betting. But there's no rule that says you have to play the first hand you see. Instead, take a moment to observe. Watch a few rounds. Notice the pace of the table. Give yourself time to settle before making any decisions. Starting calmly often leads to better decision-making than starting impulsively. The cards may be random, but the environment around the table still matters. Ask yourself, is the pace comfortable or does it feel rushed? Are you feeling focused or are you being distracted? Do you have enough time to think before each betting round? Choosing a table where you feel comfortable can help you stay disciplined throughout your session. Sometimes your mindset matters just as much as your strategy. Before placing your first bet, answer 3 simple questions. How much am I willing to spend today? How much profit would make me happy walking away? How much am I prepared to lose before stopping? Making these decisions before the game begins is much easier than trying to make them in the middle of an emotional session. A clear plan gives you direction and helps you avoid impulsive choices. Choosing the right table also means knowing when it's time to leave. If you're no longer following your plan, if you're betting just to recover losses, or if you're no longer enjoying the game, that may be your signal to take a break. Walking away isn't admitting defeat. Sometimes it's the smartest decision you can make. The next time you play Baccarat, don't let your first decision be banker or player. Let your first decision be whether this is the right table, the right time, and the right mindset to play. That simple habit won't change the cards, but it can change the way you approach the game. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Bet 5 for more educational Baccarat content, practical tips, and smarter ways to enjoy the game. And tell us in the comments, do you watch a table before you play, or do you jump right into the action? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.